When you get your driver's license, you want to get a car, right? So when you get your ham radio license, it's time to get a radio. Most people who get their level 1 technician license start by buying a handheld radio. You can buy an entry-level radio like this Baofeng from Amazon that will get you started for around $50. If you're feeling adventurous, you could go ahead and get a more premium HT from a manufacturer like Yaesu or ICOM. And the next easy purchase is an upgraded antenna like this one that'll get you much better performance than the stock antennas. We call those rubber ducks. We've researched all the major options and created a video on the top 5 handheld ham radios if you need some more help deciding.